Hi there, this is our laying facing lathe. Really big swing, very heavy lathe with quite a short bed obviously and a reasonably small footprint. It's got the big forge on it, 3-phase motor. I've got the start-stop box on the ground there, but I assume the previous owner might have had it up here. Originally the control was here, but someone's updated that control box. It's got emergency stop there, your control box which is in behind on the ground, and then a wee start-stop here for your rapid feed motor, which is a separate one down the end. Doesn't have any coolant with it. Obviously belt driven. This one's got quite a good oiling system for its age. It's got a pressure fed oiling system with your sight glass up there. Bed condition etc. is how you would expect it. Both the cross slide and compound slide move really nicely. It feels nice. The carriage itself, when this is in, you can operate it by hand, and that moves nice both directions. When you want to use your rapid, you actually pull that out, which I will show you. Okay, we'll start it up and just run you through the feeds and bits and pieces. It's got a star delta start on it. I've left that in gear. It's got a star delta start on it. Oh yeah, it's just kicked in now. That detemp for the forward and reverse isn't super positive, but the operator would soon get used to that. So that's in a forward gear, reverse. I'll run you through those feeds. So basically lead screw and feed shaft are running. We've got a normal and a coarse, and also you can change the direction of it here. So I'll just, oh that's coarse, so that's quite fast there. Slow, one direction, the other. And then your different feed speeds, and they all go in very nicely. So we'll take you back. So those are the feeds. I'll speed it up to you know, the faster one, and I'll engage that half nut there running on the lead screw, and then obviously you can change that direction going back the other way. So that's that lead screw, that's going in and out nicely. I'll take you through the feeds. So you've got this here, and that's sending the feed to the carriage going away from you. It's got quite a good feature on this machine. You can actually reverse that feed here, so it's going that way, now the other way. And I'll engage that carriage on the feed now, going that way, and then coming back this way. So those are the feeds, they go in and out nicely. I'll run you through, I'll put that in neutral. I'll run you through the gears. So that was the slowest gear there, 6.8. This is the next one, which is 9.6. Next one will be 14 RPM. I'll put you through to the fast, and that will be, next speed will be there. think that one is 169. Take you through to the next one. I think that's 237. So we're getting up there in the RPM, but that's ticking over nice. And last one I'll show you is that's its fastest speed there, which is 338. Slow that down a bit quicker. And the only thing I haven't shown you is the rapid for the carriage. So obviously you can turn that carriage by hand. You just start this wee motor here, which is a wee 3-phase motor down the end driving a wee box there. And obviously you can turn it by hand there, but if you pull it out and then hold it that way, it rapids the carriage, and then coming back this way rapids that. So that feels nice to use, and obviously a really good feature, rather than moving all that by hand, and then it just pushes in and then you're back by hand. So I'll stop that rapid motor and hit that E-stop to stop the back there, and that is pretty much it.